Welcome to TRANSEng Sudan Transportation Facilities Exhibition Forum. Organized by ICE, TRANSEng is the new flagship exhibition for the established and extremely successful portfolio of transport events. Coming from an organizer with extended offices worldwide and with thousands of contacts, you can be sure that TRANSEng attracts senior buyers to help your businesses. TRANSEng will be visited by 100 senior government delegates and 1,500 participations from Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Gulf countries, with 4,000 square meter exhibition area for 90 companies to exhibit. Under the patronage of His Excellency Engineer Makawi Muhammad Awad, Minister of Transport, Roads and Bridges, and State of Khartoum Governor, with our media partner Katia International and Oma Media Advertisement Company and Al Salam Rotana Hotel. Let us get close look at TRANSEng. TRANSEng is a highly focused technology event where the public and private sector come together to plan and implement the future of transport networks, welcoming key decision makers from every aspect of national and regional transport infrastructure planning, development, maintenance, preservation, and future system upgrades for million-dollar road, rail, aviation, and maritime projects. This is your opportunity to meet new and existing buyers and showcases your latest products and services for sustainable transportation. TRANSEng aim to achieve the following objectives: set the public and private sector together to plan and implement the future of transport networks, expand customers, suppliers, and partner networking, transit services and export sectors outside the country's border to neighboring countries and regional and continental scale. Give a complete look at the entire process chain of transport and logistics sector, reflecting experiences of the main Sudanese player in this field and their achievements. Bring together best of the world leading transportation experts under one roof. Present the latest intelligent transport systems, attracting regional companies, continental and global, to enter the Sudanese market share, promotes for transportation projects. For aviation sector, the exhibition targeting participation of many concerned individuals and companies related to civil aviation authorities, spare parts and services companies, catering companies, air freight companies, insurance companies, travel agencies union, travel agencies, airlines companies, Sudan Airports Holding Company. For road sector, the exhibition targeting participation of many concerned individuals and companies related to public transport companies, cargo management and support, training consultant qualification, public transport, buses, taxis, road construction and maintenance, apparel equipment, uniforms, protective gear, fare and toll systems, road safety technology. For rail sector, the exhibition targeting participation of many concerned individuals and companies related to rail operators, training consultant qualification, government official and regulatory, rail maintenance and servicing, cargo management and support, information communication technologies, construction, tunneling and engineering firms, insurance and safety. For maritime sector, the exception targeting participation of many concerned individuals and companies related to information sharing technologies, port authorities operators, international maritime border protection, continuous monitoring, government official and regulatory, cargo management and support, nautical products and services, training, consultant qualification, public transport, port, ferries, water taxis. Nowadays, the intelligent transport system and services sectors considered of the most important success factors in the transport industries. That's why TRANSEng highly focused on the following role: automatic road enforcement, scalable urban traffic control, surveillance systems, dynamic traffic light sequence, intelligent speed adaptation, emergency vehicle notification systems, video vehicle detection, surveillance signage, sensing technologies, wireless communications, computational technologies, biometric border security systems, collision avoidance systems, vehicular communication systems. With the rapid development in Sudan, the TRANSEng Forum will discuss the future of the transport industry with 5 dedicated streams covering present strategic transport opportunities for fund and investment, solutions for transport problems in Khartoum, parking and Khartoum Public Transport Company as example, aviation industry development and the advance in military industry. Rail present the leading projects and localization of the industry, upgrading the different transport means depending on the intelligent transport systems. By the following research papers, developing competitive, sustainable, and future-proof rail network for Sudan and the region, the metro and tram projects, public transport companies' best practice, traffic management and surveillance role in enhancing safety and quality, intelligent transport system and SCADA integration, role of automation in efficient port operations. The exception area has been divided in such a way to give more comfortable movement access, and the hall is equipped with the latest cooling and lighting system with dedicated space for government and representatives from Africa, Asia, Europe, and America. If you want to catch the chance by sponsoring TRANSEng, please choose one of our sponsor categories: Platinum sponsor, Diamond sponsor, Gold sponsor, Silver sponsor. The Platinum sponsor participation will be special with prestigious stand with an area of 210 square meters for 600,000 SDG. The Diamond sponsor participation will be special with prestigious stand with an area of 98 square meters for 250,000 SDG. The Gold sponsor participation will be special with prestigious stand with an area of 98 square meters for 200,000 SDG. The Silver sponsor participation will be special with prestigious stand with an area of 70 square meters for 150,000 SDG. The cost for the co-participation in the exception is 1000 SDG per square meter, free stand without furnishing, fixed 24 meter, or 1450 SDG per square meter with unified furnished stand, fixed 24 meter. The cost for the ordinary participation in the exception is 750 SDG per square meter without furnishing minimum area of 12 meter, or 1650 SDG per square meter with unified furnish stand for minimum 12 meter. The exception and forum sponsorship privileges is of special features for entities, government parties, and pioneer companies. A sponsor will gain the following privileges: exception-free stand in special location area in accordance with the sponsorship level. Sponsor name and logo will be displayed on all the invitation to be forwarded to Their Highness, the ministers, persons in charge in the government sector, and social individuals. Sponsor name and logo will be displayed on all the exception and forum printed materials. Internal and external marketing campaign logo will be displayed in accordance with the sponsorship level as listed in the attachment of marketing campaign. Specifying a number of official invitations for sponsored leaders to attend the inauguration and be seated at the front row. Sponsor name and logo will be displayed on front stage back podium panel. Honor trophy to be guaranteed by the event sponsor, Minister of Transportation, Road and Bridges, and Khartoum State Governor. Specifying appropriate number of DVD documentation for exception and forum activities by ceremony conclusion, providing with exception and forum album by ceremony conclusion, special treatment for sponsored leaders at TV report interviews. The event will held on 30,000 square meter of beautiful interconnected space, including fantasy Nile view, makes exception land one of the best attractive. 6 flat roof halls with movable partitions allow us to cater to almost any event requirement. No matter how big or small, each hall allows easy vehicle access at all times, ensuring a painless and smooth event experience with us. Exception space also gives visitors quick access to on-site parking and many utilities. The prospect of investment and economics are even better, as chances with the grand infrastructure projects in highways, bridges, rail, aviation, and port projects are still there. In addition, there are exceptional concessions included in the Investment Encouragement Act, Free Zone Act, and dynamic private sector, creating a conducive business environment for investors. It is your opportunity to attend this international investment and business gathering in the capital of Sudan, where the economy is booming, trade is expanding, and inflow of foreign investment hits to new records and expanding to new frontiers. We are looking forward to seeing you joining the first session of the Transportation Facilities Exception from 20 October to 24 October 2015 in Khartoum.